Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically get notified when your seed has been restocked, or like when your eggs has been restocked too, as well as gears and other items on Grow a Garden. So it's called Discord. The link is discord.gg/stock notifier. I'll just put the link in the description box down below. So first, when you enter, the server is going to have this pop up. It says what seed you want to be notified. I'll do beanstalk, ember lily, sugar apple, giant pine cone. I've completed this one. Let's do cacao as well because I don't have that, and mushroom. So I'll do these 6, and then I'll put next, and then also what gear you want to be notified. Let's do all the sprinklers, and then next, what weather. Let's do eggs because I don't know. Let's do these. Press next, and I don't want to join. Finish. And then here under the stocks, it will notify you. Right now it's not working very well. As you can see, this is like 4 p.m. and right now it's like 4:42, and it hasn't notified me anymore, but yesterday was working perfectly fine. So hopefully they fix that, but it was working until like 4 for some reasons. As you can see, like it tells you like every 5 minutes, but right now I think it's like a little bit buggy, but it does like help me kind of get items without me having to open Grow a Garden. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.